What's going on, you freaking degenerates? What a freaking day, guys. Amazing. Up 3,500 bucks across multiple funded accounts, all traded individually. I'm going to show you the trades here, the charts, the fills, all that good stuff. Just smash that like button and let's get on into it. All right, guys. So on the first trade of the day, all I did was make about 500 bucks and change. And let's double check that. Let's click reports here. Go. Nope, $487. I forgot about commissions. So $487, $485.70 on this one. And it was just a one and doneer type of trade. I was looking for this pullback right in here into this 60 zone at previous level of resistance. And I was just looking for a quick scalp and a bounce off that level. Why? Because it was 9:54 a.m. and we had news dropping at 10 a.m. And I was not wanting to be in a position with those numbers dropping and then we get some wild stuff happening. So I just wanted a quick scalp. And this trade was really quickly. I got in at 63. I added a little bit, well, 63 on the dot, 63.25. No, most of these ads, 66.75, another ad. And I took some profits off at 69, 75, and 78 for just about 10 points in profit on the best take. Not bad at all. It's a really good damn trade there. 487 bucks in the pocket. And I said to myself, okay, well, let's wait for this news to drop, reevaluate these charts, and see where we go from there. So that's the only trade I took in this account. This is a funded account here with Apex. Check out the description and comment section. Right now, you can get $35 off, $35 resets plus 71% off, plus my coupon code Jesse, all caps, Jesse, Jesse, with the W next to it, okay, will get you the best possible discount always, any day of the week, any time of the year. Now, move on to my next account here. And in this account, I took a couple of trades. And this one was a little bit more of a challenging one. I kind of fought my way back to green on the day. I had $300 in losers, made 425 bucks, ended up with just $103.30 on this one. Accuracy on this one wasn't all that great, 28%, but goes to show you, you don't need to be super accurate. You just need to be able to manage your position sizes correctly and manage your risk correctly by staying true to your trade plans. The initial trade was right in here, and it was just nothing but a nothing burger. And I think I made a couple bucks maybe on this one because it was basically like one of those things where just kind of like got stopped out and it's just a nothing, like a real big fat nothing. And then my next trade was right in here. Damn near bottom ticked this long here. Bought in here at 72s, added at 85, sold everything at 83.50. And 83.50, yeah, everything at 83.50, and booked the profit. So I made back the losses and made $100 there in profit. So I mean, this one's kind of sucks because when we pushed all the way up here, I was up over $1,000, but then we started to pull it back in, and I stopped out of it for a small gain, but enough to where instead of being red on the day, it's actually green on the day. Again, managing risk. So now we're up. Between both of these accounts with both qualify for payouts, we're up now on the day. What is it? About 600 bucks. Not bad, man. Hey, look, think about it like this. 600 bucks a day times 5 days a week is bank. All right. It really is. It's $3,000. You can't say no to that. So that's just two accounts up 600 bucks on the day, 600 and change anyways. And then we move on to the next account. These are both $150,000 accounts, by the way. We move on to the next account. This account is yet again another $150,000 account. And this one was a wild one this morning, up $2,504.40 with an accuracy of 50%. I had $1,565 in losses, $4,150 in wins, and it's just a banger of a trade of a day, guys. My winners here, I held them for 2 minutes. The longest one, 2 minutes, 1 second. My longest losing trade was 1 minute 35. Average losing trade was 55 seconds. Average winning trade, 1 minute 30 seconds, showing you that we're letting go of those losers, holding on to those winners. So we'll get out of here. And initially, right in here, I took a little trade, didn't do much, then finally caught a good one down in here. Okay. This one long at 67.25, added, are they both 67.25s? Just about 67.25s. Yeah. And then took profits off at 82, 50, and 86 from 69. Hell yeah, guys. That's a damn good trade right there. Made some good money. And then here, when we had this dump through all the support zone, I went ahead and got short right in here, not realizing that at the time, even though these are the NQs, at the time, the Qs had punctured VWAP and the support zone that I had been eyeing and playing off of, as you can see, all morning, the SPY had pulled into VWAP and nicely bounced off that level. And I didn't know that. I wasn't paying attention to the SPY this morning at all. And that was my mistake because then I got ran over here. Now, this was a smaller size trade, so I did have more leeway in my stop zone because I adjusted my position size to account for the risk that the chart was giving me. Now, I did lose about half my profits on that trade, a little bit less than half my profits. And I was like, well, damn, this sucks. Still up nicely on the day, but I was not too happy. So I started to eye the SPY and I realized what had happened. And I readjusted the trade plan. And instead of looking for that downside back into 20, I started to look for the upside to the highs and through them. And right in here, I went ahead and got long at 89.50 and 84.75. And guys, bang, 609. Bang, 21. Are you kidding me? 621, bro, monster of a trade right there. And that brought everything back and some, and actually added, because before I was up 2,000 bucks in this account, and now I ended up the morning up 2,500 bucks in this account. And then last but not least, I have a little $50,000 account that I want to see what I can do with, because it's smaller. So trying to see what I can do with it, to be honest. And that one is up for, well, it's up this week, $442. I've only traded on it twice. And here we go. Up $373.80 on the day with 100% accuracy. Just the one trade on this one. And we'll hop in here. And it's a very simple pull back into this previous 80 level. And I get long, just two lots, 86.50 and 90. And I took it all off right here at 98. Now, damn it, had I held on a little bit longer, it would have been a banger. But hey, you can't say no to money. Up like 3,500 bucks on the day. Just a banger day. Great way to start the month. I mean, you can't ask for more. Guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload and go live. Remember, for the rest of the month, every single day, at least 5 to 6 times a week, 5 to 6 times a week, there will be a piece of content up on this channel. It'll either be a video, a live stream, or a YouTube short. If you enjoy those, make sure to subscribe. Any questions, drop them in the comment section. And remember to check out the links in the description and comment section for my courses and the discounts on the prop firm. Have yourself a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.